I am first and foremost a nerd slash slightly geeky tendencies.
When I was a little girl, I wanted to be a flight attendant. I wish I wanted to be a pilot, but I happen to want to be a flight attendant.
At the time, the assumption was very much to get a permanent position, you would need to move countries. You had to go and try something else. In the US, for astronomy, is a really big place to work.
And I had a very nice female supervisor for my postdoc. She was very understanding of her different people in her group had different personalities.
Nowadays, when you say, I study gravity, that doesn't mean that, oh, I only do general relativity, or I only do whatever people think string theory is.
If I want to know something about a very hard to control animal like a puma, then I can use my cat to understand something about the puma.
There is this, I think, self-image of being very liberal, very open, but when you look at Dutch academia, it's super male dominated and white male dominated.
Because we have this image of being very progressive, but in reality we are quite traditional.
Yes, but I just feel like there has to be more programs and maybe initiatives, maybe in high school or middle school or something.
We can have a perfect evaluation procedure, but if there are only 10% women, we will never get a good ratio.
Hi everyone, I'm Lisa, I'm 23 years old and I'm from the Netherlands. I did my bachelor's here in Amsterdam and last year I started my master in theoretical physics over here. I'm now doing my master thesis on quantum state reduction, which I'm really enjoying.
Hi, my name is Aude, I'm 24 and I'm studying theoretical physics here at the University of Amsterdam. Before I was studying astrophysics in Liège, in Belgium, and I'm from Belgium actually. I'm also doing my master thesis, which is about the philosophical aspect of entanglement.
Hi, I'm Lieke, I'm 23 years old. I did my bachelor's in physics and astronomy at the Universiteit Leiden and I'm currently doing my master in theoretical physics here at the UVA. And I'm looking to do a project on the topic of cosmology. We have been studying physics for about 4 or 5 years now, and in all that study time we have had, well, I think lectures from very few female professors. In my case it was only, I think, one. I don't know how it was with you, but
yeah, for me also I think 1 or 2, and both of them were also not Dutch, so always international.
Yeah, for me, I had female assistant, but no teacher. And the first time I had a real teacher that was a woman was last year, Advanced QFT, that was taught by Miranda Chen.
Okay.
But before, yeah, it didn't happen. For some reason.
Yeah. For some reason, we've had very few lectures of female professors, but we do have some, like not as many as the male students in class, but we still have quite a group of female students in class.
I think it's like 1/8.
Yeah.
In general.
Yeah, 1/5 maybe even on
Mm-hmm.
on a good day. Yeah, because we've had so little female professors, I think we also, due to that, don't have a lot of female role models in physics, and that sometimes you miss someone to look up to.
yeah.
Or it just gets a bit harder to look up to someone if you never recognize yourself.
Yeah, and we also wanted to reach out to those people, those women professors at the UVA to see how they got to the point where they are now and if
And
they had
also
any struggles.
what they are doing, like what are their research about, because they're also very interesting in a lot of different topics and subjects.
Yeah. So I think this project is a very nice opportunity for us to talk to these females, which do, of course, also excellent research, and to also to look them up and see what they're doing, and also to see if their journey has been any different to the journey that their male colleagues had. And also, do people even realize there's a problem? So I think it's good for us to give a bit of attention to that.
Yeah, and it was nice for us, but it was also nice that we could, well, make a video and share with other people and aspiring students how it was and what we found, and yeah, so.